right into this. First, find you some jeans that you like the way they fit. Then we're going to take the front and we're going to take the back and we're going to cut the crotch out. We're going to cut the butt out. But if you really want to do this neatly, you could draw it out and measure it. I didn't because I was just doing this very quickly just to show you guys how easy, quick, and simple it is to make chaps with denim or any kind of pants that you like. So go to Goodwill, get some pants. It's simple, $7.99 pants. Get them on sale, they'd be cheaper than that. So we cut it all the way up, and then I stop right there because I want to give it enough room so that I could go back in and sew the sides down and make it look more polished. And then I'm doing the same thing over here, leaving that space so that I have enough room. And make sure you get some really hard, handy scissors, because if you use any cheap scissors, they're gonna break. Now we're doing the top band, and I try to get as close as possible to the top. And that's why I say get some good scissors, because around that zipper it's kind of hard. And I leave my belt loops. Sometimes I sew them back down to the other part of the top strap, and sometimes I just leave them flapping. In this case, I just left them flapping because I thought it was cute. And then we're going to finish this off by going all the way up, and then you're going to leave the top part tacked, because if you cut that off, then you done cut the chap off. But you stop right there at the band. And then we're going to finish off cutting it like that. And then cut the little belt loop thing like that. Now we're going to finish off on the other side as well. Go all the way up to the band and then stop. And then we're going to start cutting this band right here off at the top too. It doesn't take that long, and it's not as hard as people think. That's why I just wanted to do a real quick one where I didn't really measure it or anything. Like, you can measure it, you could draw it out and everything and have it real crisp and everything on point, but this was pointless because I was just doing it just to show people how to. And then there's our front part gone, and then that's that. It's cute. Then you turn it over to the back, and right there where I left that slit at is where you start cutting the back part. And you also leave enough room so that you can fold it over. Cut as close to that pocket as possible. And while I was doing this, I actually got an idea. And you'll see in a minute when I stop and get this idea in my head. Cut it all the way up. And then I stopped. And then I'm like, hold up. Okay, I cut the pocket. I left the pockets intact. And I was like, this might be cute. So, I left the pockets cut around them, and then I stopped right there at that back point right there. Then I went and I cut the other side, and then I cut that pocket out as well. And I went ahead and left this in the video because sometimes people want to see the entire process. Like, you just want to see it. I'm like that sometimes. Like, sometimes I'll rush it, but sometimes I want to see the process. Like, let me see everything you did. Because if not, I feel like something is missing or I did something wrong. And then I decided to leave the little red Levi's tag that's on there because I thought that was a cute little accent too. So I left it on there and cut around it. And then at this point right here, I tried to make these lines as crisp as possible right there in the back because I decided to leave that whole back flat. So, because I wanted the Levi's tag and all of that. Like, I thought it was cute. And that's that. Like, you could leave it like this and you could be finished if you wanted to. But I just wanted to take it to the sewing machine and make it look more polished and pinning. You could pin this. I didn't because I was rushing, like I said. But you could pin this and make it really, really neat. So, this is my process of sewing it. I sped this up a bit because some people just don't want to see it. But, yeah, I did one single stitch on this. And then on one leg, I did a double stitch just to see how it would look. If I was really going to wear these, I will probably go back in and do another double stitch. And I think I am going to keep these. I'm just going to go back in and measure it and make sure the legs are even and everything. Because I don't think the legs are even. But I'm going to go back in and I'm going to double stitch the other side so that I could wear them. But yeah. And make sure you get a thread that matches the thread of the jeans so that it looks like it's supposed to go. And you just do this to both sides. And here is the thread line, that one thread line. If it'll zoom in and show you, but that's it. And it makes it look really crisp. And if you iron it, it looks really crisp. But yeah. Then I just distressed the jeans a little bit by putting a hole, and then I picked it out a little bit. And then I popped them in the dryer to fluff it. Now, I went and put on some shorts, tied the shirt up just so you could get a visual. I had the head on anyway. I was just getting in cowgirl mode. And they're so cute. I ain't even gonna lie. They're cute. They like that. See? This ain't Texas. Woo! So cute. And it's not too much. Like, it's cute. I need to line it up, but other than that, look how cute, sis. Like, look how cute. And, like, this could be for male or female. Like, if you were a guy, same applies. You just would do it the same way. And if you didn't want the pockets, you just cut the pockets off. But other than that, they cute. Now, ride, Sally, ride. Thank me later. Bye.